every task in woodworking goes more smoothly if you're prepared. That's why it's a good idea to take a break from building every now and then to stock up on those supplies that you're going to need for almost every project. Whether you're sanding, doing a glue up, applying finish, or even cleaning your bits and blades, there are supplies here that you're going to need for almost everything you build, and Rockler can help. Hi folks, I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworker's Journal magazine, and today I'd like to share with you some of those consumable supplies that I like to have on hand to help me get jobs done right in the shop and to help me prevent having to stop and make a shopping trip in the middle of my project. I've been using Rockler silicone glue applicators for years, particularly these glue brushes. Silicone makes these accessories easy to clean because glue won't stick to it. When you're through, just wash them out or wait for the glue to dry and peel it off. And these spreaders, various shaped paddles, and silicone glue trays will help too, whether you're spreading glue over a broad surface, a tenon, or into the tightest spot. I tend to buy my glue in gallon-sized jugs to save money and trips to the home center. These 8 and 16-ounce refillable glue bottles allow me to pour off a smaller amount from the big jug that's easier to manage. Now, sandpaper, even the good stuff, is always going to be expendable. But to me, even the mid-priced paperback sandpaper often seems to wear out faster than it should. Well, 3M's Pro-Grade Precision Ultraflex sandpaper is truly different. It's covered with a high-quality synthetic grit that you can use wet or dry, and the sheets are perforated so you don't have to cut it. And here's the unique thing. The abrasive isn't paper-backed. Instead, it has this flexible, rubbery film backing that stretches, so you can wrap it around a sanding block, a dowel, or even your finger without it tearing. And that, according to 3M, is what should help it last up to 15 times longer than regular paperback sandpaper. It comes in 100, 150, and 220 grits for general surface prep and 320 grit for sanding between coats of finish. And while we're on the subject of sanding, be sure to wear a good dust respirator, like these soft seal respirators from Rockler. They have 2 straps to fit around your head securely, plus a silicone seal that goes all the way around the inside of the mask for better comfort. NIOSH rated at N95, these masks will protect your lungs from the dust you can see, as well as the invisible dust that's floating in the air. It's a hassle cleaning sticky finish off of your fingers after applying every coat, so save yourself some cleanup time and wear some disposable gloves. Nitrile gloves like these come in medium, large, and extra large sizes to fit most everyone's hands. They're surprisingly economical, and if I'm careful, I can often finish an entire project using just one pair of gloves. And if you want your bits and blades to cut more cleanly and last longer, sooner or later you're going to have to stop and clean off the burned-on resin deposits. Rockler sells a bit and blade cleaning kit that comes with 2 lidded containers, a quart of this citrus-based reusable pitch and resin remover that works really well, and a brass cleaning brush. But eventually your bits and blades are going to chip and dull, and cleaning won't be enough, and at that point you'll have to replace them. And when that time comes, be sure to remember Rockler for top quality carbide cutters. For example, here's a set of 3 router bits no woodworker should be without. It comes with a 1/2-inch diameter straight bit, a piloted 1/2-inch radius cove bit, and a piloted 1/2-inch radius roundover beading bit. Consumables like these are a necessary and helpful part of woodworking, so be sure to keep a supply on hand to help you get ready for each new project. I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworker's Journal magazine, and thanks for watching.